A local community has a new text alert system that residents can sign up for. The table gives values of P of T in the number of residents for selected values of T in weeks since the community started the system. If a sequence is constructed to represent these data, because it's plural, which of the following best applies to the situation? So it looks like what I'm doing is I am definitely exponential. Am I multiplying 1.5? Yeah, I am multiplying. Well, 40 times 1.5 is 60. 60 times 1.5. So I'm multiplying 1.5. We're going to use, they want us to use what looks like to be a geometric sequence. So I'll set that up. A sub n equals A sub 1, the first term, times r to the n minus 1. Okay. Why they're using n and not t, I'm not sure, but not my problem. Let me see. I determined that the common ratio is 1.5, but they want us to write it out as 3 over 2. The first day is actually 60. So a sub n equals 60 times 3 over 2 to the n minus 1. Which is neither of those. So it's definitely not you and it's definitely not you. So my job is to now figure out, all right, well, which one of these is that? Well, if I were to look at it like this, all right, if I were to multiply, or better yet, rip this out and say, look, I don't like the n minus 1. Let's get rid of the n minus 1. Let's get rid of the n minus 1 by ripping those apart. So I can make it 60 times 3 over 2 n times 3 over 2, and if you're to the negative 1. And if you're wondering, what did he do? What did he do? What did he do? What he did is, originally, if you have two terms of the same base being multiplied together, you add the exponent. So going in reverse, I did that. Now, what I can do is I can say, I have a fraction to the negative 1 power. Flip that. 60 times 3 over 2 to the nth. Flip that, making it 2/3. 2/3 of 60 is 40. So a sub n equals 40 times 3 over 2 to the n. Now, maybe I did too much. And some of you might be like, well, didn't we also learn, sir, didn't we also learn that an exponential function looks like this? Y equals a times b to the x. B is your common ratio, so you already knew it was 3 over 2, which automatically eliminates you because you're 2 over 3. So that's that. And isn't a what this whole thing would be if x is 0, so 40? Couldn't you have just done it that way? Yeah, we could. But when I saw the a sub n's, I just was like, oh, well, maybe they want arithmetic or geometric sequence stuff, and I went with it. I was wrong. It worked out in the end. But now you have two ways of doing the same exact problem. So you're welcome. Like and subscribe.